The first thing we were taught was how to import a clip into your project. We were taught a few ways of doing this. One way is by double clicking this box section here, and this will bring up a browser type file in which you need to find your video clips to insert. So I'll use this one for example. So that's one way of doing it. You can also doing it by pressing Control I, which is basically a shortcut for import. You do the same method, or the easiest way in my opinion is just by dragging and dropping it in. So this one is in. Drag it and drop it straight into the project file. Okay, so now we have our clip in that we can edit in Premiere Pro. From here, from the project file, we can drag it onto the timeline. The timeline, which is this section here, is a tool that enables us to sort of see what it looks like in real time. So as you can see, these numbers obviously represent seconds and frames. Okay, the next thing we learned was how to clip a piece of footage. So for example, this clip here, to the size that we want it to be. There are two methods in which we can do this. So see, for example, we want that shot there of the cars going through of the police cars going through the street. We can trim it down by scrolling over the edge of the clip and bringing it to where we want the clip to end. So it's just before there. So it's about there. And you can do it for the beginning of the clip as well. So it's about there, and then and that's the clip. There's another way in which you can do it. So we'll drag that back out. Dragging it out just redoes what you've just undone. There's no way that you can do it. This bar down here sort of enlarges sort of the clip so you can see more of it. So it starts in that frame there. So then you can use this tool here called the razor tool. Go over which bits you want to delete, and then you go back onto the selection tool, which is that tool here. Click on the clip and then press delete. Now that section of the clip will be gone, and you can do it on the other side as well. So, which is about there. Use the razor tool, select clip and delete. So now we have that shot again. And that's all we learnt in that lesson. Apart from we did this with obviously more than one clip. So, for example, we'll have two clips, and you can drag and drop and put them next to each other. So it'll be the over the head of the cars, the establishing shot of the cars, then back to the original clip. But obviously we did that with different clips in order to line them up and to sort of give a little narrative to clips. And that's all we learnt in that lesson.